晚上好，Good evening。来，我们来开始了，Let's start。OK，晚上好。来，try nga. So, how is it? Nag-practice ng four tones? The a, a. Sige, later louder will practice. Ika. By one time. Ito? Jean, since I saw you a while ago, sige, start mo. Ni hao, hello.
Ni hao. Ano pong
You
gagawin?
ni hao, then hello.
Ni hao. Hello.
Sige, continue. Everything.
From
Okay,
top to bottom po.
mag-i-start na tayo. Yes, mag-i-start na tayo mag-memorize.
Okay. Ni hao. Hello. Ni hao. Ni you. How. Good. Okay. Ching wen.
请问.
Ching wen. Yeah.
Kasi
Okay.
labas yung
I
tones, di ba?
remember. Yeah, the E. Yeah. Okay. Ching wen. Ching wen. May I ask? Excuse me. Ching, please invite Wen as Zhao.
Jiao.
Jiao. Jiao. Be called.
Yeah. I will teach kung anong sounds ng letter J later. Basta we don't have
Jiao.
J's. Jiao. Jiao. Sige, I'll let you know na lang para I know na next.
Ni hao.
Okay.
So, T, ang letter J. T.
Kamay.
Okay.
Shenma.
Ji.
Shenma.
Mag-Chinese ka na lang. Ito ang future. China.
Okay.
Should I continue po ba?
Sige, continue.
Okay. Mingzi.
名字.
我. Mingzi. 我. Mingzi. Name.
So, wag mo masyado siyang gawing Z. Z. It's part
Mingzi.
Yes. I will teach this later. Okay, go.
Name. Correct po ba yung Shanma?
Yes, it's
what?
Hindi ko ibabaguhin kapag tama. Don't worry.
Okay po.
Nakaka-follow ako. Go ahead.
我, I, ni, ne. Participle used to ask questions.
So every
Renshi.
time you are reading, Jean, don't cut it. No, haba mo pa. Tama naman eh. Just don't cut it.
Okay. Renshi. No, get to know. Renshi. Okay. Renshi. Hen. Hen.
Kasi di ba, letter E natin is
hen.
Remember?
Tama po ba? Hen.
Yes.
Very. Gao sing.
Okay.
Glad, happy. Ano po?
Gao sing.
Gao sing.
We don't have G sounds. Later, mag-explain ako lahat to. We don't have G sound.
Okay.
Our letter G is a K sounds with no air.
Gao sing.
So parang ikaw. Di ba the Tagalog, ikaw. So letter K siya. Pero wala siyang
Gao sing. Glad, happy. Xiao Zhi.
Xiao Jie.
Miss. Xiao Jie.
Yung J sounds na lang.
Miss. Dwi-bu-hi?
对不起，对，
Dui-bu-hi?
Mhm.
Dui-bu-hi? Sorry. Sing?
Yes,
Surname, family name.
yes. It's not bad, ah. First time lang. It's not bad. So as you can see,
Okay.
para siyang English, di ba? But there's a point na kailangan natin baguhin. Tuwi-putwi. So, before I let everyone read, no, let's tingnan natin kung makaka-help. All of you are in the group chat, right? So
Yes.
you have table of the letter, the phonetic. Can all of you see the table? The letter of the phonetic, the initial. The p, p, m, f, t, t, n, l, g, k, h, j, t, c, zh, ch, sh, r, z, c, s, i, u. Got that box? So, take a note, ha? You can copy it in your notebook if you have a. Better kasi na may notebook kayo. Sometimes kasi I will add a vocabulary words na wala rito. Okay? As long as you want, I can add additional vocabulary words. But remember this part, ha? We don't have B and P sounds. Can you see, everyone can see the B, P, M, F, D, T, N, L, G, G, K, H, J, Q, X, di ba? So if you see, the first two letters, always, yung mga sa left part, saka right part, di ba? Can you see, nakahati siya? It's divided into two parts, right? Kasi para for you to analyze din, no? Why it is divided into two parts? Basta it's always the first two letters ang magkasunod na letter. Like the B and P, D and T, G, K, J, Q, Z, H, C, H, Z, saka C. Okay, take a note on that, ha? Like this one, in my front, diba, nilagay ko D saka T kasi nagbasa siya ng tuy, pu, si, the word tuy, no? And then for the BP, so BP, DT, GK, no? JQ, nandito na lahat. Okay. What is the difference? So for BP, laging ang nagiging rules niya is we don't have the first letter sounds. Yun nasa first one. Always the first one, wala tayong ganung sound. Mostly. Like B and P, we don't have B sounds. We only have P sounds. Paano naman madidistinguish ang pagkakaiba ng P kapag dalawa magiging P, right? As I said to Jean, it's no air and with air. Okay? It's the sounds of no air with air. Always yan. Laging yung first letter is no air, pero ang sounds niya, yung nasa second letter. How? Letter B is P, P, like saying papa, papa. The daddy kasi is BA, BA. So if you use English or Tagalog, it's baba, right? But I said we don't have B sounds. So what will be the BA sounds? Everyone can unmute para alam ko may kausap ako. Okay? So what will be the sounds of BA? No incorrect answer naman. Go ahead, try.
Pa.
Again, nag-cut.
Pa.
Yes, it will be pa. Kasi
Pa.
sabi ko, we don't have B sounds, we only have P sounds. Pero para maiba, the first one is no air, walang hangin. What I mean no air? You put your hand in front of your mouth, wala siyang hangin. Pa. Pagka letter P siya, sige nga, pag letter P, kunyari, pa, PA siya, it will be pa with air. Pa. Then pa. That's the difference. Ayos, sulat nila siya. So, BP, DT, okay, GK, no, JQ, that's the difference. ZH, CH, saka Z, saka C. Ito lang, lahat ng first two. So, it's always, this part will be no air, and the next part is with air. Yan, lahat ng nasa harapan is no air. How to compare? P, P. So, P is letter P sounds, di ba? Pero walang hangin. Then, P, may hangin. So, may siklaway pa kung gusto mo. Yun the second one. The same as T, T. We don't have D sounds. We only have T sounds with no air. T, T, di ba? Ang letter D is also T. T rin naman siya eh. T, like tayo. In Tagalog, ta, di ba? So, letter T yung sounds niya, pero walang hangin. T, ta, so ta, t, ti, to, tu, gusto mo di ba? I-O part. So, wala siyang air. If there's an air, mali yun. Kasi it will be the letter T sounds. So, it will be t, okay?
Pwede po ba mag-confirm kung tama yung naiintindihan ko?
Sige.
So, ibig sabihin po, for example, yung in English po, di ba yung dog? So, kapag ipo-pronounce po yun as in tog,
Yes.
then
Basta
yung kunyari yung toy, magkakaroon siya ng H, so parang magiging toy.
Yes, yung may hangin
Toy?
yung parang may H part.
Toy. Okay.
So, basta lahat ng may hangin, letter T sounds yan. Pag wala ka ng hangin, letter D siya. Like if you say dog, yeah, it's correct. It's tog. Kasi T sounds siya, pero wala siyang hangin. It's correct.
Okay.
The same as B and P. So, literally, wala tayong B sound, D sounds, G sounds, J sound. Wala tayong ganun. Yun yung mahirap na i-convert mo kasi yung English pronunciation mo into our Mandarin. So, next time, baliktad na, no? Baka malito na kayo sa pronunciation nyo sa English pag na-perfect nyo to. Okay? But as long as you always using it, walang problema yan. Thou sure can also speak English pero not as fluent as all of you, no? But kaya naman. Kaya ma-differentiate siya. So, the same. Sige nga, if G and K, paano nyo i-differ? How to pronounce the G? How to pronounce the K? No air. Malapit na. Medyo tumama na. Pero no air ang G.
G.
K.
G. K.
K. So, yung letter K. K.
K.
Yes.
K.
So, K. Saka K.
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 Walang na G sounds ha. K. So, walang G. It's K. K.
K.
Yes. Kasi the K, we have older brother, what we call K. So, pag memorize mo yung word na K, you already know what is the sound of that G. No air with air.
J.
So, how about the JQ? Kasi it's important pag alam mo i-differ eh. So, always concentrate to that you are reading.
J. Ch.
So, the letter JQ is, yun lang, magkaiba to sa English ha. It's a differ talaga. Differ. Letter J is C. So, it's up to you paano nyo C. Kaya nga, yung jiao, yung read kanina ni Jean, jiao, be called.
Zero.
Jiao, jiao. Diba? The word jiao, J-I-A-O. Diba? I-A-O is iyaw. Iyaw, walang problema sa vowel eh, diba? The problem lang is, but ang magiging problem nyo lang sa vowel, yung mga letter U na may that U sounds natin. Doon kayo medyo mahirapan. The rest, I think, no problem. So, ti, iyaw, tiyaw. The fourth tone. Tiyaw. Always put the tones. Kailangan kasama lagi si tones. Ti. So, what is the difference of letter Q? If letter J is T, what will be the sounds of letter Q? With air.
Che. Cheron. Che.
Kunyari,
Che.
Q-I.
Cheron. Che.
T.
Chi.
Yes.
Chi. Cheron.
T, 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 J, and Q. No? Paano naman ang differ ng ZH at saka CH, saka Z, saka C?
CH. Show.
This one, sige, I'll give the 3 na lang para ma-differ nyo tatlo. Again ha, this one, ch, sh, sh, parang may R sound siya. Para siya may R sound. Sorry. Ch, sh, sh. Everyone? Ch,
Shi.
circle yung mouth. Ch,
Shi.
drop yung ch,
Shi.
with air, di ba? With air. Walang air to ah. Even you put your hand. Ch,
Chi. Chi.
sh,
Shi. Shi.
okay, ito yung binanggit na shama. Shama. Sh.
Shum. Shum.
So what yung she ah? Walang he, she, it na she sa SH ah. It's sh, not she. Okay? Sh. What is the difference of two? This is wider yung mouth mo. Kita ipin. Okay? Ch, ch, sh, zi. Can you see the difference? This is circle yung mouth na may parang R sound. And then the sa lower part, yung walang H, is open mouth. Zi, ch, ch, sh. See the difference? Okay? Don't worry. I just let you know paano siya basahin. Pero in the end, as long as you perfect it and then you know you have the idea, mapa-perfect niya yung sound. Okay? So, I read it once all the phonetics. So, p, again p, m, f, t, th, n, l, k, k, h, ji, qi, si, zhi, shi, sh, r. That's the R. R. Yan yung R natin, not ri. No? Our R is r. Z, c, s. Then who remember how to pronounce the Y and W?
I. U.
Yes. Yes. And how? I跟U, right? I said the Y and I, same sounds. W and U, same sounds. Okay? So, I, U. So, remember that, ha? As you go along, nag-read ka, just remember lang na no air with air. Okay? Sige. I will still correct you naman upon reading para ma-familiar na kayo. Go ahead, Clarice, Mila, ni hao, hello.
Ni hao, hello. Ni, you, how, good, okay.
How, third tone. Ilabas ang buong third tone.
How, okay. Xing, when,
Qing wen.
Qing,
Qing.
wen.
Wen. Bakit
Qing.
wen? Bakit hindi when? Bakit wen?
Wun. Kasi po yung en.
Yes,
ang-
it's en. What is the sounds of the en?
En.
En. Very good. That's the
En.
reason. Kasi ang en is en, not en. Magiging when siya pag en. No? English na tayo nun. Okay? Qing wen.
Qing wun. Qing un. Qing wun. Qing, please invite. Wun, ask. Kiao, be called. Shen me,
Tiao.
what?
Tiao.
Sorry. Kiao, be called. Shen me, what? Ming zi, name. Wo,
Ming-
I. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's correct. Ming zi.
名字，我爱呢
Mhm.
particle used to ask question. 认识 know, get to know. 很 very 高兴 glad or happy.
Mhm.
悄悄悄悄谁
Tiao jie.
了解 miss
Okay. Yung letter J. Jie. Jie.
Jie.
Jie. Jie. IE is Jie. Jie. Xiao Jie.
了解 miss 对不起 sorry 姓 or 姓 surname family name.
Mhm. Okay. Sing for tone. So practice the for tone, ha? Sing.
Sing.
Tomorrow I will all of you ha one by one the four tones. Ika para ma-perfect natin. Lai Yani Nina Ni Hao hello.
你好, hello. Me, you, how, good, okay. 请问,
Mhm.
may I ask, excuse me.
Okay. Next na. Di makita.
Ano po? What do I have? It's okay po. Ano nga yung next?
Sing.
Moon, Ing, please invite.
Sing
Mo-
with Q. Sing.
Ing.
Sing. Ang letter Q sounds is T. T ang sounds ng Q.
Jing,
Sing.
please invite. Woon, ask.
Wood.
Woon,
Yes,
ask.
the tone. The tone.
Kiao, be cold. Shenme,
Oo. What is the sounds of E? Shema.
Shenma,
Kasi wala
what?
maging kambing na yan, ha? Me. Now, we don't have, remember
Shenma,
E, how you say it? The E sounds in English at saka E. No? So, it's so shema.
Shenma, what? Mingzi,
名字
名字 name. Wu, I or me, ne,
Ayan. Yani, the letter
na,
E. No.
na, particular.
No.
particle used to ask question. No. Wrench.
Okay. 很
Han, very. Gausheng, glad. Tama po.
Yes, yes, yes. Continue.
Xiaoji. Xiaoji,
Mhm.
Miss. Ano po pag-pronounce? Sorry po.
小姐
Sa
Then the-
Aujie. Yung next,
对不起
Taipochi. Taipochi.
The letter D is
Wait.
letter sounds, diba? Then
The,
by the way, the UI is equivalent to UEI. Everyone take note, ha? UEI is UEI sounds. Then IU is IOU sound. So if you see a IU, it's EO. If you see a UI, it's WEI. So 的微对不起
Tuipuchi. Sorry. Sheng, surname or family name.
定
Ting.
OK 好的谢谢来Eponine 你了嗯哼 Go ahead 哎对不起你好 Hello
你好 hello you how good okay 请问 may I ask excuse 请 please invite
嗯哼
one ask
问 bagsak mo pa maganda na eh 问
one ask 条 be called 什么 what
嗯哼
名字 name 我爱你呢 will use to ask question
嗯
认识 know get to know 很 very soon glad happy 笑着 miss 对不起 sorry sing surname family name
静
静
OK Kate 你了
Hello, can you hear me po?
Yes yes
Ni hao. Hello. Me, you, how, good. Ching Wen, may I ask, excuse me. Ching, please invite. Won, ask. Chao, be called. Shenma, what? Mingzi, name. Wo, ne, particle used to ask question.
嗯哼
Ren shi, no get to know. Hen, very. Gao Sheng, glad happy. Chao Zhe, miss. Tui Puchi, sorry. Ting, surname, family name.
OK it's nice 好的 Nikki 谢谢
hello po
Hello 你好
你好 hello ni you how good okay
dapat yung third tone mo because it's already good. Ibigay pa ng buo. Ni hao, ni
ni hao ni hao ni hao Sheng Wan
Oh, may
Sheng-
English. 请问 may I ask?
Cheng Wan may I ask Cheng please invite Wan ask
Sakpa.
Kiao Wan ask Xiao
Bagsak pa
because
yung fourth. Mahinhin si Nikki.
Xiao
Ayun.
Xiao
Galitin natin si Nikki. Xiao.
生 Xiao 什么
Shama. Akyat.
什
Second. Shama.
什么名气
Ming.
我
Zi.
Ming
Letter
Qi.
J. I is Z. Z. Zay
Z.
or Zay. Without I or with I, same sound lang naman siya. Z.
名
Z.
字
Okay.
名字
Huwag
我
masyado yung big sounds. Ming. Z.
名字我呢
N.
Ron
Letter E.
呢
N.
呢认识
Mhm.
很小心小鸡读小不起静
Wait lang. Wait
da
lang.
daw daw
Okay na. Yung chi. Okay. Letter Q is T. Again, the sounds of Q is T. It's not like the English letter. Hindi siya
T.
pareho. So,
Ciao.
tui. T. Tui.
Dui buti
No B sounds. Lumalabas yung B sounds eh. Tui pu qi.
dui buti qi sing
Okay, sing. It's good. Huh? So again, ha, sounds. Letter Q is T. So, 对不起.
dui buti
Okay, how ta? Sige, keep practicing lang, no, everyone. Anna Rose nila.
Ni hao.
Gamitin
Hello.
full session. Okay, go.
Ni hao. Hello. Ni you how. Good. Okay. Ching Moon. May I ask?
Ching Wun.
Ching Moon.
Wun.
May I Woon.
Para siyang letter U-E-N. Wun. Since our E-N is N. Ching Wun.
Ching Woon.
Yun.
Woon.
Wun.
Ching
Medyo
Wun.
open mouth mo. Wun.
Ching Woon.
Medyo nagiging O sounds eh, no? Ching Wun.
Ching Woon.
Yun.
Ching Woon. May I ask? Excuse me. Ching, please invite Woon. As Chao be called Chen Mu. What? Mingzi. Name.
Mingzi.
Mingzi. Name. Wu. I. Me.
Wo.
Ne.
I-open mouth mo. Wo.
Wo.
Ayun.
Wo. I. Me. Ne. Ni.
Okay. What is the sounds of letter E?
Ni.
N. Di ba? Yung sound E natin.
N. Vertical use to ask questions. Friendship. Know, get to know. Hun. Very. Sing. Glad, happy. Xiao miss. Chi. Sorry. Ching.
Okay,
Sorry
pu.
name fa. Chi.
Tuway. Labas pa yung EI. Ay, EI. U-E-I. Kasi UI is equivalent of UEI. Tuway. Pu. Qi.
Chi. Sorry. Sing. Sorry name or family name.
Okay. So my assignment is practice reading the vocabulary words. Don't worry, medyo mahaba ang time talaga to adjust for the sounds. Pero pag na-perfect nyo na, tuloy-tuloy na yan for sure. So tama. And then we can go to the sentence and reading part na. Okay? And conversation, kayo din mag-uusap. So tama? How to? Like? Sige. Okay. I can give you this one if you want. para you know how to read. Additional vocab lang. So again, the counting part, please try to memorize 1 to 10. How? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, yung numbering. Everyone, did you try to read and practice that? Na-practice niyo yung part na 1, 2, 3. Kasi if you perfect,
Yes.
so since
Yes
I already
po.
discussed is the difference ng mga letter Q, letter B. So I think this, kaya nyo nang i-perfect. Again, no B sounds. No G sounds, no J sounds. Okay? So it will be E, first tone ha. Ilabas nyo ng buong-buo yung first, second, and third, fourth tone. No? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ayan ha, letter Q. 7. Pag na-memorize mo yung number 7, alam mo na yung sa Q. 8, 9,
Pa.
10.
Sh.
Shi, second. Shi, akyat. Makakapit.
San, si.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Magkakat na yung ano natin. Almost time na.
Gaosheng.
But
Bye.
don't forget shi, second tone. Shi. No, the second tone. Okay, practice ha. 明天见. See you tomorrow.
谢谢。
谢谢，拜拜po.
谢谢老师。
再见，谢谢。